it was a sign that there was a Yiddish land, that there was this imaginary country called Yiddish land, that all over the world, Yiddish could be used by travelers. All over the world, Yiddish was a literary language. All over the world, you could go to Santiago, to Durban, to Buenos Aires, and you could seek out writers who wrote in Yiddish. Yiddish was also the way in which Jews in Latin America, South Africa, who were not necessarily traditional, who could not be religious, who had left their homes in Eastern Europe, this was the one way of remaining Jewish. And in Mexico, you have serious Yiddish writers like Jacobo Glantz who are really trying to use Yiddish as a way of fashioning a Mexican Jewishness, where you can be Mexican and Jewish at the same time. Yiddish writing celebrating the landscape of these countries.